You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. When you are lacking in power or physical strength, you are feeling weak. This is the exact same pronunciation as all the days of the week. You know, the spelling W-E-E-K, week. Today, I'm not feeling weak. I'm feeling strong. The opposite of weak is strong. Weak, how to pronounce in English? Weak pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.